Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get what do you meme filter on Instagram. So for this, go to the search bar, so that's going to be at the bottom left hand corner if you're on your phone, or still at the top if you're on your computer, that magnifying glass there. Click on that, and at the top there click search, then you want to go ahead and type in what do you meme, so it's all one word, and type that in the search, and then you'll see the account at the top there should be a verified one. You're going to want to click on that account there, the one at the top. Then what you want to do is towards the middle of the page here, you'll see that smiley face, the two pluses on the right hand side of it. Click on that, and then I'll bring up all these ones here. So the video at the top left hand corner, this one, it might be a few more here if you're doing later on, but you want to click on this one, and then you want to click try it at the bottom left hand corner. Then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and hold it in if you want to do a video, and it's just as simple as that. So leave a like on the video if this did help you out, subscribe for more videos like this, click on screen to see more Instagram how-tos, but that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.